Komishoni ya ithurano na mihaka igitongorio ni abitha murugamiriri Hussein Marjan Hussein yuma ya gatatu gatagati ka ikundi itiganite kweana mawoni mbere ya kamite ya miario ya iguano iri iraterevwo ni mutongoria wa ingi bunge-ini Kimani Ichung'wa hamwe na mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nyumba-ini ya mishemanio ya Bomas. IEBC irauga ni iremetwo ni guthie na mbere na wira wayo kumana na wagi wa makomishona thutha wana gutiga wira na angi atatu kurikiriria ihinda ria utungata. Komishoni ino riu irendekithia mathenya komishoni ino makaihũrio na rua uria kwahoteka niguo wira wa komishoni ukarutika.
It is our recommendation that there should be prompt recruitment and appointment of members of the commission using expert model recommended by Kriegler Commission as soon as the vacancies arise to ensure seamless implementation of their responsibilities.
IEBC iria irigirirwo guthurima weru mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge gukinyiria tariki 5 mweri wa gatatu mwaka ukite yugite wira uyu ndungikinyanira na iguvatara mwaka umwe na nuthu kurikiriria uthurimi wa mihaka thutha wa makomishona eru kwamurwo.
The commission should also be given 18 months to complete the boundaries limitation exercise from the date of appointment of the commissioners and members of the commission.
Oho komishoni ino irenda kuongererwo komishona ungi umwe wa guthingicira maundu makonainie na watho.
The commission chairperson being an advocate qualified to be appointed as Supreme Court judge, we propose an additional commissioner who is an advocate qualified to be a High Court judge to preside over legal legislated matters such as Electoral Code of Conduct Committee and Pre-election Dispute Resolution.
Hamwe na uguo IEBC irenda watho ucenjio niguo thiku cia guthikiriria na gũtuithania cira wa gutetia maumirira ma gĩthurano ciongererwo kuma thiku 14 nginya thiku 30.
There's also need to amend legal framework to expand the period for hearing and determination of presidential petition by the Supreme Court from 14 to 30 days. And there is a need to enact robust legal framework to facilitate citizens living outside Kenya to participate in the electoral process.
Komishoni ino irendekithia mitaratara igathikwo ya kwe maabitha aria maikithagia gĩthurano ugitiri murumu. Ikundi ingi iria igwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ino ya uiguano kuheana mawoni ni maendeleo ya wanawake, kiama gia gutetera aruti a wira kotu hamwe na ngwataniro ya bunge cia thirikari cia kaunti. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.
Yeah, we see you. Thank you.